Hi guys, we are back with another video. Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of note-taking apps out there? I know I have, but let me tell you, Google Keep has been my go-to for years, and for good reason. It's not just another note-taking app, it's a game changer. So, what sets Google Keep apart? Well, I'll let you be the judge, but I'm confident that once you give it a try, you'll see why I've been loyal to it for so long. And who knows, maybe it'll become your new favorite too. Need a note-taking app that goes everywhere you do? Look no further than Google Keep. It's like having your personal assistant with you 24/7, ready to jot down your thoughts, ideas, or reminders. Imagine this: you're brainstorming on your phone during your commute, and suddenly a brilliant idea strikes. No problem, with Google Keep, you can quickly capture that thought and keep it safe. Later, when you're at your desk, you can pick up right where you left off and expand on your idea. The best part, Google Keep syncs across all your devices. So whether you're using a phone, tablet, or computer, your notes are always up to date and accessible. It's like having your personal note-taking cloud. Try Google Keep today and see how it can simplify your life. Tired of scrolling through endless notes trying to find the one you need? Google Keep has got you covered. With its powerful search feature, finding the exact note you're looking for is as easy as pie. Just imagine, you're trying to remember that recipe you saw last week. Instead of digging through your notes one by one, simply type "recipe" into the search bar, and voila! Google Keep will instantly pull up all your relevant notes. But that's not all. Want to find notes with images or lists? No problem, Google Keep has preset filters to help you narrow down your search. It's like having a personal assistant that knows your notes better than you do. So why wait? Try Google Keep today and experience the power of effortless note finding. Ever felt overwhelmed by a sea of notes? Google Keep's labels are here to save the day. Think of labels as like virtual folders that help you organize your notes into different categories. For example, if you're planning a trip, you can label all your travel-related notes with "travel." Now, whenever you need to find information about your trip, all your travel notes will be right there, neatly organized. Think Google Keep is just for plain text notes? Think again. This app is packed with features that make note-taking a breeze. Want to emphasize a word or phrase? Just highlight it in bold or italicize it. Need to keep track of tasks? Add checkboxes to your notes and tick them off as you complete them. Want to make your notes more visually appealing? Add images or create numbered lists. Google Keep has you covered. With so many formatting options, your notes will look professional and organized. Need help brainstorming or collaborating on a project? Google Keep's sharing feature makes it easy to work together with others. Imagine this: you're planning a trip with friends. Instead of sending endless emails back and forth, you can create a shared note on Google Keep where everyone can contribute their ideas. Or maybe you're creating a grocery list with your family. With Google Keep, everyone can add items to the list, so you're always on the same page. To share a note, simply open the note you want to share and tap the share button. From there, you can invite specific people to edit the note. With Google Keep's collaboration features, working together has never been easier. So, what are you waiting for? Start sharing your notes today. Want to share your brilliant ideas with the world? Google Keep makes it a breeze. You can easily send your entire note to friends, family, or colleagues using your favorite messaging app. Whether you're sharing study tips, travel recommendations, or just a funny thought, it's simple to send your notes directly from the app. Note: while you can't send entire notes directly from Keep on your desktop, you can always copy and paste the content into an email or message. So, what are you waiting for? Start sharing your notes and spread the knowledge. Have a bunch of notes you don't need to see every day? No problem, Google Keep lets you archive them, so they're still safe and sound but tucked away out of sight. It's like having a personal vault for your notes. So, if you have old notes you don't need to access often, simply archive them and declutter your main note list. Let's face it, sometimes the simplest things are the best. That's why I love Google Keep. Despite all its amazing features, it's still incredibly easy to use. The interface is clean, clutter-free, and intuitive. No complicated menus or confusing settings. Just a simple, straightforward way to jot down your thoughts and ideas. That's why I keep coming back to Google Keep time and time again. It's the perfect balance of simplicity and functionality. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified for future videos.